Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow, alamak. Apa khabar? Semua sihat walafiat? Is everybody good, fine? Yes. Okay, I hope all of you all are good, fine and fabulous over the weekend Okay, hari ni kita akan masak sesuatu yang agak simple. We're gonna cook something very simple and easy because we have a lot of previously we have quite a few drama dishes already yang telah berlalu lauk-lauk pauk yang meletup-letup. Siapa yang baru nampak video ni, awak boleh patah balik ke YouTube ataupun Facebook ataupun YouTube dengan Facebook saja. Only YouTube and Facebook that has a full version of this all the cooking masak my style punya recipe. Okay, TikTok dengan IG tak ada, dia cuma ala-ala, they just show you a bit of video clips and then you go to my bio, go and click on the website. Today we're gonna cook something very simple. It's called the steamed fish ataupun ikan kukus cara saya, my version, my style. Alamak. Okay, so come along with me. It's a very simple process. Memang senang. Kalau ada barang-barang ni if you have all the ingredients, make do with it. But if you don't have, very hard for you to find. Kalau tak ada pun tak apa. Don't have also, never mind. As long as you have the soya sauce. Selagi awak ada dia punya kicap masin pun dah boleh masak ikan ni Alright, so come along with me and I'll show you how to masak ikan kukus ataupun steamed fish my style. Alamak. Okay, this is another type of snapper juga dari golongan ikan merah ataupun ikan red snapper dari golongannya same family lah tengok dia tengah senyum, smiling and nice and beautiful, mata pun cantik Jadi kalau awak nak pilih ikan, make sure ikan yang fresh. You ask the fishmonger, awak suruh orang jual ikan tu awak kelahkan setengah, cut into half like that, so it become the shape. I told them to cut like butterfly. Awak macam potong butterfly, kupu-kupu jadi dia faham. Jangan potong dua, don't cut into two. Okay, halia, a little bit of ginger I put at the bottom of the fish di bawah pinggan ni dulu bawah sini lah, under the fish. Put the fish on top. And then soya sauce, saya beli soya sauce yang ni sebab apa? Less salt Okay, see? Reduce salt soya sauce. Memang sedap. Dia tak masin sangat, not so salty. Okay, this one all you estimate yourself lah Ini awak estimate berapa banyak awak nak taruh. Okay, terserah pada anda, up to you. Because it's not so salty, dia tak begitu masin So then after that you can put in the cili padi, optional, up to you. Terserah pada anda berapa banyak cili padi awak nak letak. Kalau awak nak letak boleh, tak letak pun boleh. Yes or no, up to you. Okay, and then we put in the rest of the ginger. Kita susun balik taruhkan halia yang balance ni. Saya suka halia banyak. I love ginger saya suka halia ni, memang bagus untuk badan kita banyak perubatan medical juga menggunakan halia so a lot of medical things also use ginger as our medications as well untuk perubatan kita. And then kita ada plum this is plum. Dulu plum ni macam gini botol awak boleh dapat di mana-mana supermarket, at any supermarket you can get this plum plum ni dah memang masin ataupun masam all together. Okay, so what you do here is very simple. So it's called sour plum sour plum. Tapi before I put that, because that one is the last grand finale lah. Ini saya letak daun bawang. Terserah pada anda berapa banyak awak nak, up to you. But yet again, I love all these spring onions Saya suka daun-daun bawang ni semua. Okay. And then the plum, last but not least, kita tekan dia sikit. Okay, we press a little bit and let it pecah, let it break, and we just put it on top. This is called sour plum. Sour plum, plum masam Okay, dah ready to be steamed. Kita boleh kukus ni selama 8 minit, 8 minutes. Now make sure that you have a hot steamer, tempat kukus yang panas. Make sure it's bubbling dia tengah mendidih, nampak asap-asap ni. You can see the steam is ready for steaming. Okay, so we put in the fish. Kita masukkan ikan ni selama 8 minutes because the size is so small. Okay, small size is 8 minutes. I already teach you, right? And then we cover back. Okay, after 8 minutes. Okay, lepas 8 minit. Now, if your husband, kalau suami awak belum balik, your husband haven't come back, you want to dish out later, kalau awak nak kasih makan kemudian, you just switch off and leave it inside. Biarkan macam ini sampai dia balik, okay? Baru kasih dia makan. Kalau tak, awak boleh buka lah macam biasa. Otherwise, you can just open as per normal and there you go. See, so beautiful the fish. Memang cantik, alright? Nampak? So, kita pakai ni, ambil. Aduh. Gitu. Alright. Tu dia ikan kukus my style yang of the world dan juga yang tersedap. Okay, nampak? So beautiful and nice, okay? Oh wow, alamak. Selamat kembali kepada sesi cekik menyekik makan eating session time. Alamak, tu dia ikan bakar pula. Ikan steam fish. Steam fish my style. Kalau makan steam fish ni, if you want to eat this steam fish, nak kena makan dengan bubuk-bubuk, kan, makan dengan porridge, makan dengan cuk lah. Kan, baru sedap. Then is the, you know, the real Chinese style. Gitu. Ni kita tabur lah, ada balance. Got some balance lah. So I just pour over this lah. Tuangkan ke atas ni je. Saya suka barang ini. Okay, it's good and healthy. Dan juga saya ada porridge ataupun bubuk. Kita akan makan ala style orang Cina. Okay, ni untuk perasa dia saja. Okay, only for the flavoring. Alright, so kita tak nampak sabar nampak. Okay, so kita ikan ni paling murah sekali. This fish is very cheap. Berapa 2 ekor $12. 2 for $12. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jangan soya sauce sikit. Actually this kind of fish like techu fish is very easy to cook lah. Senang nak masak. Ini adalah cara-cara orang-orang techu Memang sedap. It will never go wrong Dia takkan salah kalau awak nak masak ikan kukus ni. Sebab apa? Ikan ni ada manisnya sendiri Fish have their own sweetness. So in any way the sweet that you steam you will never go wrong. But you must find ikan fish which is much more small in size, so it's sweet. Ikan kalau kecil-kecil ini dia ada manis dia sendiri, tahu. So ikan seekor gini bagus lah untuk aku seorang. Just nice for me 1% lah. Memang sedap. Sour plum mana dia? Screenshot. Ni untuk kasih dia macam masam-masam tau, sourish taste. Dah screenshot belum? Dekat supermarket mana-mana ada. Especially kalau macam supermarket orang-orang Cina, orang mesti ada juga. Okay, they should have. This plum is very sour. Masam. Memang sedap. If you have, kalau awak ada sour plum ni, awak taruh. Kalau tak ada, don't have, do without it. Awak bikin tanpa sour plum. If you have the sour plum, you put. Don't have, it's okay. Number 2. If you want to cook, bila awak nak masak, I don't have ginger. It's okay. Do without the ginger. Okay? I don't have spring onion. My market is very far. Do without the spring onion, huh? So you have balance with what? Salt and soya sauce, right? Now this soya sauce. If you use the normal soya sauce, not like my soya sauce, no need salt. Kalau awak menggunakan kecap macam biasa punya, bukan macam saya punya, kedai jauh nak pergi kan, no need put salt. Jangan tahu garam. Okay? Because this one is a reduced salt. Garam, soya sauce yang telah dikurangkan garam, yang kurang masin lah. Okay? Kalau emergency, if emergency, ataupun berperang ke war, wherever you are, don't have soya sauce, then you do with salt a little bit pun boleh. Okay, itu dah darurat lah, but also can. Steaming fish is not so difficult lah, memang senang. Okay, steaming fish is very easy. You can do a lot without a lot of things. Awak boleh bikin tanpa macam-macam. Okay. Dah betul. Saya dendam benda ni tau, nak masak apa lama tak masak. Asyik kerja go to work I don't have time to cook. But to cook, this is the fastest way to cook. And your kitchen is also clean. Awak punya dapur pun bersih. Yang paling senang nak masak. Awak ajar anak-anak awak masak ni. Besok-besok kalau awak tak ada, at least you ada something to eat. You teach your children how to make this steamed fish. It's very easy. Next time if you're not around, they want to find food, they miss home cooked food, diorang rindu masakan rumah. Sebenarnya nak taruh kobis, but I show you the simple one lah. You can put cabbage under the fish. Awak boleh taruh kobis kat bawah, ikan awak kukus sekali. The cabbage awak potong hilis-hilis. Okay? Having a simple dish at home, you can cook. Life is not so difficult. Don't be cerewet, don't be fussy. Okay? Fish have their own neutral facts of saltiness and sweetness and everything, vitamins, etc. So, good enough. Very, very sedap. Okay, so I'm finishing all the fish because the fish got bones. Dia ada tulang, saya nak kena konsentrasi. Alright, nampak ni, nampak? Syuk. Can feel the sour plum. Halia. I see you again on Masak Apa Masak My Style. #mom. Bye.